बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। एक्सरसाइज 11.1। Question 1. One angle of a parallelogram is 130. Find the measure of its remaining angles. Figure of parallelogram. One angle of parallelogram is 130. Suppose angle A is 130 degree. The remaining angles can be found out by using the properties of the parallelogram. Adjusting supplementary angles. Properties of parallelogram. Supplementary angles. In which angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Measure angle A plus measure angle B is equal to 180. Putting the value of A is 130. For finding the value of angle B, we subtract 180 and 130. It will become 50. So the measure angle B will become 50 degree. The next property, opposite angles of parallelogram. In which angle A is 130 and its opposite angle is angle C. Measure angle A is equal to measure angle C. So the measure angle A is 130 degree. Then measure angle C is equal to 130 degree, which is the required result. After that, angle B, its opposite angle is angle D. Measure angle B is equal to measure angle D. The value of angle B is 50 degree. So the angle D is equal to 50 degree. Question 2. One exterior angle formed on producing one side of a parallelogram is 40 degree. Find the measures of its interior angles. Solution. We make a parallelogram. A, B, C, D are making the exterior angle DAP, which is 40 degree according to the given statement. For finding the interior angles of this parallelogram, we can find out its interior angles by using the properties of the parallelogram. So by using of parallelogram, in which when opposite sides are parallel, then corresponding angles angle of angle DAP is, so equation angle DAP is equal to angle B parallel lines AD and BC when intersected by a transversal line PB, then a pair of corresponding angles angle DAP and angle B is produced, which is equal to each another. So the angle DAP is equal to 40 degree, then angle B will become 40 degree. measure angle B is equal to 40 degree. After that, for finding the angle A, we use the adjacent supplementary angles. Angles in which angle A mean DAB plus angle B is equal to 180. DAB angle B is equal to 40 degree. Then measure angle DAB, 180 minus 40, it will become 40 degree. So the measure angle DAB is 140 degree. For finding opposite angle of A, which is angle C, we can use the property opposite sides angle of parallelogram. 1, 2 and 3. Opposite angles of parallelogram in which angle A is equal to angle C. Measure angle DAB. So the measure angle DAB is equal to 140 degree. Then angle C will become 140 degree. After that, the opposite angle of B is angle D. Measure angle B is equal to measure angle D. The measure angle B is 40 degree. Then the measure angle D will become 40 degree. Which is the required result.